Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by inspecting the fallen key and surrounding area. Look for the keycap, retainer, plastic hinge, and any tiny springs. Once you have them, gather tools, tweezers, a small flat pick, and 90% plus isopropyl on a cotton swab to clean contacts. Make sure to note orientation. One clip faces up, the other down, because reassembly depends on that. Begin by wiping debris from the switch and the retainer. Removing dust now prevents future sticking and ensures a smooth reattach later. Next, you focus on the retainer hinge. This is the complex middle step. Start by placing the center of the retainer into its chassis slot, then clip one side into place followed by the other. This sequential approach prevents breakage. If there's a tiny spring or metal bar, set it with tweezers into the retainer first so the mechanism has tension. Once clipped, flex the retainer gently to confirm smooth movement and correct orientation. If it feels loose, press again until you hear the soft snap that indicates proper seating. Finally, you seat the keycap. Align its underside hooks with the retainer and press evenly at the edges, not the center, until you feel one or two soft clicks. Once seated, test the key press several times to confirm travel and responsiveness. Make sure it rebounds cleanly. If the retainer is cracked, replace it with a model-specific part or use a tiny drop of plastic-safe adhesive as a last resort. Let cure fully. Troubleshooting tip. If the key is still sticky, clean the area again with isopropyl and recheck spring placement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.